Hello fellow traders, this is another episode of the series. As we have mentioned many times, we are trading our real account for the past years. All profits go to my sub, so stay tuned, subscribe, like, leave a comment for the YouTube algorithm. In today's episode, we will examine the Forex signals. How do they work? Do they work? The truth is out there. As you might have noticed, everyone can make a signal. There is a huge difference from normal trades, especially with the way that I am providing, for example, movable stop losses, multiple targets, and so on. People on Patreon already know for the past years, but there is a huge difference when it comes to signals and how they work. Imagine you as an individual searching for this kind of signals. It's completely hindsight. I can guarantee you're already looking in the wrong direction. However, keep in mind that a broken watch twice a day will show the time correctly. There are also many brokers that give you signals in the markets, well, depending on what kind of account you have and all these details depending the broker, of course, and your account. So here comes the hard part, to identify what it's working and what is not. Of course, the best way is to make your own research and start trading your own money without having to listen to anyone, all these analysts and lines they are using and so on. Of course, we are all speculators, and some of us manage to stay profitable. You might have noticed many signals, and most of them are free. They are everywhere. Keep in mind that you can send signals very easy with the same way. Just identify a trend, previous swing high, a good risk reward, and there it is, a free signal. In this video I will show you how to identify this kind of signals and the rules that you can apply on your own in case you don't feel comfortable. Of course, when you start trading, following someone or some analyst might help you. I mean, if you are still working on demos, when you decided to go on a real account with real money, it means that you have developed your own strategy, your own technique, so you don't have to do that. So keep in mind that there are some important information that you need to pay attention. It's a very common topic. I'm also getting this question if I give any signals on WhatsApp or on Telegram. Well, I don't. Guys, trading is risky as hell and really hard. So you need to understand that a profitable trader won't share so easily and for free. I do not accuse people that give signals as long as they are reliable. They are tested in time, so you don't have to worry about all this information. And remember what we are keep saying in all our episodes. Always request proven trading history. Well, usually people who gives this kind of signals won't provide you any of that. So in this case, this is the first signal, let's say. And now let's go to see how you can identify and how you can capitalize on a Forex signal. The rules are very simple on how to identify a good FX signal. First of all, what we've said, what we will keep saying forever, always request proven trading history. Remember what I've said. Most likely, people that are not so reliable, they won't provide you any of this kind of information. A signal needs to be very specific. Open price, stop loss price, and what will be your target price. The more, let's say, multiple targets they can provide you and some movable stop losses, this would be ideal. But remember what I told you. Most likely, you won't find so many details in a Forex signal. A good risk-reward ratio. This also applies into our rules and what we have said while you are trading. Follow some standard and reliable persons that you have tracked them. You see that they are having some trading experience, they do have some good ideas that they can show you, and of course they can provide you with important information, because remember that we are not wizards. For example, if you might lose a signal, or if you might lose a trade or 2 trades from that person, or 3 trades, you need to keep a track, let's say, and see how your trading will go in time. Make some demos, follow these people that you believe, based on the criteria we said, you believe that they are reliable. Make some demos and start track these people based on your demo performance, and there you can find all the information that you will need. I usually do that using my FX book. I don't know what you are using, but this is something very common, because you can have several accounts there, and you can put them in comparison together. So this is a very good tool if you want to use it. Start track people that you want to follow. And what does this mean? You need to be sure that these people have some history, let's say in trading, that they have some experience. This is very hard to identify in the beginning. So let's say that make a list with some potential traders or people you want to trade, and start to track them from the beginning, and see how this can work in your favor. Avoid traders that beg you for a couple of dollars. But remember what we've said: a profitable trader, most likely, not most likely, for sure, it won't beg for a couple of dollars. Usually, some professionals out there that providing trading history and so on, you need a capital to start with them. Minimum it's 5,000, 10,000. Most likely these are the numbers that you can find from people that showing their trading history, and they are professionals and so on. And that's why I told you, and I'm keep saying, do not follow some random signals. Of course, this doesn't mean that there are not talented traders out there. The problem is how to spot them and how to find them. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Trade safe, and I hope I'll see you in the future.